now that our smoothie is done, I shall be pouring it into my favorite mason jars. Hello guys, welcome to our channel as Inspired by Nature. I started this channel because I became obsessed with natural, healthy ways to lose weight and to maintain a healthy balance and generally live a healthy lifestyle, maintain a healthy lifestyle as you may. So I plan on showing on experimenting with smoothie recipes, healthy diet recipes, healthy meals, juices, and everything generally to help yourself and myself live a healthy lifestyle. Now, and expect a whole lot more on this channel. Now, today's recipe that we're going to be experimenting with is our watermelon tropical smoothie. As you can see, our watermelon is the larger part of the ingredients. So I'm going to be using only 4 simple ingredients for this smoothie, because I would also like to show smoothies that we can easily go out and get the ingredients. The first fruit we're going to be using is the watermelon, pineapple, grape juice, and orange juice. See, freshly squeezed. Now, the first thing I usually do for my smoothies is that I would put the liquid bases first, so that there's no friction between the blades and the hard fruits. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be making this smoothie. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be pouring in our grape juice. I'm pouring it with the fiber, so I can get all of its nutrients. And the second thing we're going to be doing is to pour the orange juice in there. Wow, that's a lot of liquid. Then the third thing we're going to be doing is to pour the watermelon. The third thing we're going to be putting is the watermelon. And the last but not the least ingredient we're going to put in, fruit we're going to be putting, is the pineapple. Yes. Ooh, it's full. Well, I'm not making for just myself, I'm making for my family as well, so yeah. Make sure your smoothie speed, your blender speed, your smoothie maker speed is on the higher, so it can crush everything you need to crush. In my case, I'm going to be putting the seeds. I put the seeds because the seeds has several health benefits. I'll be putting the health benefits in the description below. Done, I shall pour it into my favorite mason jars. Beautiful. So you can see our smoothies are ready to take. This smoothie is very delicious. I would like you to try it. So if you like our content, please give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. What we want to know our mistakes, and we want to know how we can make it better, but we only know that through your comment. Leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, share, like, recommend our channel to a friend, and please come back with new people to watch our channel. Thank you very much.